around at Della all the time. Really?
Wow, this is beautiful. Incredible.
That was part of the attraction. Then Paul Drake, and the way they dress, you know, that. That ain't your car. You need to move so I can take this picture.
Oh.
Just kidding.
So how you been doing? Everything good.
That is incredible.
I went to the model construction class. Oh yeah, I was there as well. Were you selling? No, I just wanted to look. Buy stuff. Everything is very expensive. Oh really? I found some really good things.
Buick Century.
Look up gorgeous. You see
Oh,
this car.
it's incredible. Really nice.
You know, my dad told me that in the back in the day, he said Cadillac was the thing, but the real car people, Oldsmobiles and Buicks.
Yeah, that's true. Because they always had a little bit cooler designs. They were a little bit more aggressive. Because I remember, I have a 54 Chrysler. It looks like, an old man's car.
Oh, that tan one?
No, the yellow.
Well, in my Cadillac, it looks.
Well, it could be a little tannish, yeah.
Dude, it ain't like I said it was blue. Come on now.
Yeah, it's from here, yeah.
And a lot of people don't know Hemis.
Yeah, it's got one, yeah.
I'm a car dude. Trust me. And I was telling, not the owner, but the guy with the shorter guy, older guy.
Yeah.
I was telling him back when I was growing up, watched a lot of Perry Mason and other film noir kind of dramas.
Oh, yeah?
And they all had these cool-ass Buicks and convertibles and Chryslers and Cords and stuff like that.
Yeah, they always had convertibles, and the women always drove around in the nice sports cars.
Yeah, and
that was the
never
40s
cold,
and the 50s, yeah.
Night, day. And even poor people had convertibles.
I know. These, wasn't it Harley Earl that was kind of in the design of this stuff back then? Yeah, look at this interior. Wow.
And I was looking at the door panels. Yeah. Because it ain't me.
Won some awards, no doubt. Kind of died in the look inside there.
Yeah, I was reading a story a couple of years ago about Harley Earl and came out with these bumpers. They call them Dagmars. And then they are calling them, what's that movie star with the...
Oh, Marilyn Monroe? Yeah, they it's like...
What's my daughter? It's her birthday.
Little touch. Beautiful wheels.